Hi everyone. Okay, so today my sister and me are gonna have a smiling contest. Whoever stops smiling will lose. Okay, starting now.
Okay.
Oh.
This is
I can't take anymore.
the smiling contest is over 2 minutes. I win! Yay!
Bye.
Though it wasn't 2 minutes. Okay. Bye.